Not gonna lie, one of the construction workers just came to ask to use the bathroom. And he's in the guest house, obviously, right there. I'm gonna ask this nigga how long the Wi-Fi gonna take. Now I gotta feel like this nigga peed all over the toilet seat and shit. I have a weird feeling this nigga pissed all over the toilet seat. Oh, that nigga doodled! He doodled! Oh, no! Imagine asking to use someone's toilet. Oh, fuck! Creep, watch out. I'm gonna pick that shit, that dirty ass shit, bro. Oh! Pick that shit up like these. Imagine asking to use someone's toilet. You go in there and leave doodle streaks, boy. Why the hell did... Why is that... How'd I get out the pool? Bro, I gotta go clean this shit, dog. Oh, Jesus Christ, have mercy, bro. Oh, fuck. I don't even got the decency to put the toilet paper back up. Just got that shit hanging on the floor, bro. Cause a nigga was gonna wanna wipe their ass with floor toilet paper, huh? Oh! Fucking sick. Oh, fuck. I ain't never thought I'd be cleaning another nigga doodle scrapes, bro. Another nigga doodle scrapes. I was out working in the sun all day. You feel me? Never would have thought. I'm a